What Can He Do is filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Ken G, we are about out of bud. What in the hell you got going on right here?
I'm trying to cut some metal, man. Make a sign for this wall.
You're trying to cut metal with what's basically a giant pair of scissors.
I mean, this is what it's for, isn't it?
That's tense. It's for like little thin, skinny metal, man. Like garages. That's gotta be like 3/8 inch thick.
It's pretty skinny to me.
That's never gonna work, Ken
Look at
G.
it compared to me.
Well, a lot of stuff's skinny compared to us.
So I can't use these scissors.
No, that's never gonna work, man.
Can I use like a saw? You got a saw?
No, but I got an idea.
What's that?
Let's go visit Kyle.
He knows how to cut metal?
He can cut some metal.
Okay. All right, we are here today with Kyle Martin. He is operations manager at What Can He Do Industries, manufacturing edition. That works. And Breadstick Ninja right there. Today we're going to be doing what? What are we going to be doing, Breadstick?
We're gonna be cutting some metal, and what are we gonna be using to cut that metal, Kyle?
We are going to be using a Waterjet machine to cut this metal.
Can't use scissors, can you?
Can't use scissors.
This is actually the kind of metal we're going to be cutting, right? I mean, it's similar.
Similar, yes, similar.
So wait a minute, you're gonna cut metal with water.
Yes, we're going to cut metal with water.
And sand.
And sand. Comes out pretty high pressure, about 90,000 PSI.
That'll probably cut right through your fingers.
It would sever a limb in a second.
Okay, so you
Correct.
have to be on top of your game when you do this. You gotta wear special equipment.
No, probably should wear some safety glasses.
What are we cutting out, Breadstick? Why are we cutting out metal today?
We are cutting out the What Can You Do logo, WKD question mark.
So first thing you gotta do when you want to cut something out is what?
First thing you got to do is make the program tell it what you want to cut.
Okay. And so that's what we got here, right?
That's what we're going to do right here.
All right, Kyle, so what are you doing right now?
Well, first thing we're going to do, since we're cutting letters, we're going to go right here to this key here for the text and tell it what kind of drawing functions we want to do. And then we're going to pick what font we want, and then we're going to pick the size we want.
Size large.
Size large.
That's what Breadstick knows about.
The size does matter.
That's what I hear.
When you're cutting metal, size matters.
The size does matter.
We ready to fire this bad boy up and see if some water cut some metal?
We are ready to cut this metal.
Well, let's get to cut. All right, now one of the most important steps, you gotta load the metal on the machine. That metal right there. And they only trust the Breadstick to get this done. They're actually gonna let me get on one of the fork trucks. I'm gonna load this bad dude. Are you ready, people? Let's fire this up. Pure power. Pure power. We're off to the races, people.
Hard as steel, shine like I'm polished. Man, yo, we all about them dollars. Before we ship them, yo, we add a few parts. Got the best tanks around, but this ain't where it starts. It get fabricated over in building 2. I be in the shipping department, chilling with my crew. It's Kyle, Matt, Slut, Alt, Lim, Krista, me, Steve, Corey. Every day grinding till our back sore. One main mission, get them tanks out the door. They call every day, can we add a few steel ones? Only cause they know Eve ain't got the real ones. We don't play games, we pack boxes. Spray foam the inside in case someone drops it. Strap it up and stack it on the skid. Shrink wrap the whole thing just that quick. Out the door with it, we getting amped in here. It's the Eve, but this man, this yeah here. Getting amped in here. This man, it's a picture. We getting amped in here. It's this man, this EMP in here. We getting amped in here. It's this man, this
We'd like to thank Kyle Martin here today for hooking us up with the What Can He Do logo for our new set. This is, what kind of metal is this?
This is diamond plate aluminum.
Diamond plate aluminum. And there's a gauge to it, right? The thickness?
This is 125 gauge.
125?
Like 1/8 inch.
Okay, and what kind of machine do we use on this?
We use a Waterjet.
Do you have any questions that you would like to ask Breadstick?
Can I get one of the fork trucks to take with me?
You can take it home with you.
I will, because we could really use that in the Kenny Cove 2.0.
You can drive it home. They're street legal.
You heard it?
Legal. You drive it home.
You heard it here first. They got me on a big old vehicle with some big spears on the front of it. Street legal, baby.
And maybe a new video, how to get arrested driving a fork truck.
Mugshot.
Hey, welcome to What Can He Do? I am your host, Kenny G, alongside my co-host,
Breadstick Ninja.
82. And we are here coming at you live from the brand new
Kenny Cove 2.0.
We'd like to say thank you to Kyle Martin for helping us with the new decor cut out of, what gauge metal was that?
A 125.
125 tread plate aluminum. Sound like I know what I'm talking about, but I really don't. What do we got coming up?
Oh, we got a couple things coming up. I mean, we got, we're gonna be making some sandwiches.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be a sandwich artist. We're going to teach you how to eat fresh up at Subway. What else we got?
We've been talking about maybe brewing some beer. Brew some beer. Get some pizzas in the brick oven. Just keep it clean, people.
Do we have anybody to shout out?
We'll have to look at our comments, but I bet we do.
I know I need to shout out Jeff Sweat. Chef Jeff Sweat. Thanks for watching, buddy. I know
Chef Sweat.
Chef Sweat.
Jeff Chef.
Jeff Sweat. Chef Jeff.
Chef Jeff, 3 times fast.
We are in the process of setting up a new set for What Can He Do. So I know the walls are kind of bare. The lighting's probably a little wacky, but
we're working on it.
I had to move. I had to buy a house. I had to do the big boy thing. I'm responsible for the water heater now and anything that goes wrong in general.
I mean, we lost the Kenny Cove.
We did. We lost the Kenny Cove, but hopefully this building will work out for us. So this is the brand new Kenny Cove 2.0, and we got lots of stuff coming up. So make sure you subscribe to our videos. We appreciate it as always. Closing in on 200.
Closing in on 200.
Maybe we need to do like a giveaway for number 200.
Maybe we give away a What Can He Do t-shirt or a Breadstick Ninja t-shirt.
Yeah, maybe a 200, but I don't know. I can't ever tell how to know who subscribed when. Like YouTube tells you very little about your subscribers.
That is.
So I don't even know who number 200 would be.
Well, maybe 200 could just like send us an email.
I was number 200.
But how are we gonna know then? It like maybe 199 sent that email.
I don't know. Maybe Ricky Ricks was 199, but he's gonna message us and say he was number 200. I don't know.
Ricky Ricks, if you don't stop fronting as 200, dude. I mean, come on.
Number 200, whoever you are, if you hit subscribe and you're number 200. Shoot us a little message as soon as it happens and let us know that you just subscribed, and you will get a free What Can He Do shirt or a free Breadstick Ninja. I don't want to just say What Can He Do. Maybe they want a Breadstick Ninja shirt.
Maybe they do. You can pick. I mean, whatever.
Also, we need set ideas.
We do need set ideas. What are we going to put on the walls?
Like, what would you like to see behind us?
What?
Maybe we'll make this part of our set.
You just keep a size in your pocket?
I do. It's a little uncomfortable when you're running, but as long as you take your time, you're all right.
I mean, this could go really wrong for you. So that could go sideways on you. Are we doing shout outs?
Yeah, we can do shout outs.
Because I've been like talking to you and talking to the peeps, but I've also been trying to like pull up the comments from the last video.
That's all right. Go for it. Who do we got on there?
Okay, we got a few comments. We got a few comments here. Now we don't have any hashtag. No one hashtag. Hashtag shout out or hashtag fan mail. No one did it.
Nobody did it.
So the very first comment. Shout out is going to be to Greg from Greg's Vintage Workshop.
What's up, Greg?
Hey, Greg. Greg says, haha, great video. You guys are a hoot together. I look forward to it every 2 weeks. I think you guys need to do a cooking video. To Breadstick's comment, how about do's and don'ts to frying a turkey or smoking a turkey? I think that's a great idea. We should fry a turkey for the people.
I've actually been asked to deep fry a turkey a couple times.
It's popular. It's delicious too.
So maybe coming up, we'll do a how to deep fry a turkey without burning down the house episode.
I like it.
On What Can You Do?
I mean, we could do it right here.
There's plenty of concrete, so we shouldn't burn anything up.
Shouldn't burn anything up.
Good idea.
Probably.
Thank you, Greg, from Greg's Vintage Workshop, and from my mom's brother.
Thanks, Uncle Greg. We love you.
Who else we got?
Next up, Peter Sparker.
Peter Sparker. Herb Green.
He is always in the comments. I love you, Mr. Sparker.
Biff Tannen.
Yeah. Biff Tannen, I don't know. What is that from Back to the Future?
No, that's his other. He's got like 15 names.
Oh, that's a lot of names.
Peter Sparker, Biff Tannen, Herb Green, Brown Recluse.
Brown Recluse.
Brown Recluse.
Is he a spider or is he like a hermit?
I think he's venomous on the microphone.
Oh, venomous. I get that.
Venomous on the microphone.
I thought you were like, a recluse, like a hermit.
What does Peter Sparker have to say? Or Biff Tannen or Herb Green or Brown Recluse?
I'm going to call him Mr. Sparker.
Okay, Mr. Sparker.
Mr. Sparker says, I was going to use Kevin Hart's Deborah excuse, but this episode just may have saved my job. Thanks, fellas.
Well, we're glad to help.
That's what we're here for.
We love to keep people out of the unemployment lines, and anytime we can do that, that's a bonus to what we're doing. So.
If you can't come to this channel and get some good advice, what channel can you go to?
And last but not least.
Okay, so next comment, Nate Wheeler.
Shout out Nate Wheeler.
Big Nate. Nate says, this is priceless advice, LOL. Star public service announcement.
He is talking about the how to call out a work video. So if you haven't seen that, you need to make sure you go back and watch that.
5 tips on how to call out a work.
How to call out, that was pretty popular. So make sure you go back and watch that.
Do you guys like tips on stuff?
Do you not? Maybe we need some tips and we don't know it. So maybe you can give us some tips. Hashtag tips.
5 tips on how to make a good YouTube video. Send them to us.
Yeah, we'll read them.
We might need 15 tips. We're not sure.
We appreciate it, Nate Wheeler. Thanks for watching.
All right, man. That's it. That's all the shout outs and the fan mail.
Okay.
We've got the WKD sign the first official decoration to the Kenny Cove 2.0.
So next video that comes out, expect to see a little different. We'll add to this.
Yep.
Feng shui it or
maybe like memorables from past videos.
Yeah, we can do that. Like this.
Yeah.
Like this memorabilia.
I mean, we're gonna dodge the microphone.
Lil Breadstick's back, just like that. Oh, maybe we auction that off.
Ooh.
Dude, we should auction off the Lil Breadstick bling.
I mean, I've always wanted to be a millionaire.
We should do that.
I've always wanted to be a millionaire.
Maybe it'll get us out of doing these videos. Starting bid for the Breadstick Ninja bling, $600,000. If you wish to purchase, leave your name and bank account information in the comment section below.
This could be all yours.
Possibly your PIN number. We might need that too. Alrighty, well that's going to do it for us this week at What Can He Do and the Breadstick Ninja. We appreciate you watching, and as always, subscribe and hit the bell.
So you can be a part of the notification club.
We appreciate it, and we will see you guys in 2 weeks.
Love you.
Peace.